Welcome back to Sunny and Luca Playtime. Today we'll be showing you how to use these chill factor slushy makers. And we will use one of these flavours.
So
we'll unbox it, open up.
So freeze it for about
8 to 10 hours.
Yeah. And then you get a juice or something else. And then you squeeze
Already
it.
squishy.
And then you can enjoy it for the rest of your
A
life.
straw. Or you can attach your spoon to the straw. And that also combines first job, put it in the freezer for 8 to 10 hours, which is a long time. Now that it's been 8 to 10 hours, let's pick it out. I'll let my spoon there for that long. Oh,
Now I'm gonna put my water into my juice, and then I'm gonna put it in my bottle. How much?
Keep going. That'll do. Nice. Give it a mix.
Now I'm gonna pour a little bit at a time. That's what everybody else should do. If you don't know how to, just watch this video. I'm gonna stir and squish. This.
Squish, squish. Squish first before you put more in. Squish. Keep squishing. Keep squishing.
I think that's not enough to make it more foodish.
Go on, give it a good mix.
What happens if I mix it?
yeah, that's what I want to do.
Have a look, is it working? Take the lid off.
No, Dad, you're meant to do this. Maybe you're meant to smash it.
Ah, doing it. Go on, give it a try with the spoon.
The food tastes good. Lovely. That's my brother's turn. Hello.
Now it's my turn to do it. So we add a bit of our flavour right into our water. Just don't put too much. Then grab your spoon and mix.
It's really.
Smash.
What does it need to smash it when there's no ice?
Right. Tastes good. Right. And you put a little bit. Then you.
Oh, my ice.
Oh no. And you have to.
That's what I'm going to do to make it more.
Pour the juice.
That's enough. You can see the ice falling, look.
Wow.
I think you meant to twirl it, Dad. Sonny, don't mix it, twirl it.
Looks good to me, that.
Can I have a little mix?
Have a little mix and a taste.
No, Sonny, twirl it.
Tastes nice for the drink. Oh, that's cold. Needs a bit more flavour.
Go on, see a bit of flavour in. How's yours, Luca?
Oh no, that's where the flavour is.
How's yours, Luca?
Very good.
What yours, Sonny?
Now I know. But after you've done it, add your flavour. Because when I've done it before I added the flavour in, it just tastes like plain water. Now let's try this. My face. There, that tastes. This tastes better.
Have a taste. Let me taste, see which one's better. No?
Coke or blue
Right,
raspberry?
I'm going to go for it.
Lucas first.
Yeah.
Dad,
Eat and then drink.
Wow.
cold, aren't they?
Dad, now have a drink.
Okay.
I know, saying Jaws.
I'm going to give that one a 6 out of 10.
No!
Let's have a go with Sonny's.
Somebody must win. Can't be a draw. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice, that one.
Yeah, it's your favourite.
That drink?
I'm going to go for...
That drink? I know, draw.
I'm going to go for the cola, only because it's got a bit more flavour. So next time we do it, we just need to add a bit more flavour. Because that was our first go, wasn't it? So next time we'll do a bit better.